Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at a multiple choice cloze, and this is from an FCE book. So pause the video now and try to answer it. Okay, so let's work through this together then. It says the Celeste has always been and then considered an unlucky ship, but no one could have predicted what would happen to it when it something sailed. So here we're dealing with a collocation. Set sail. When you set sail, you start a journey of some sort on a boat. Okay. From New York in November 1872. It was something for Genoa. Okay. So it was heading for Genoa, it was traveling for Genoa, it was running for Genoa, it was going for Genoa. So here we've got the preposition for. So it was heading for Genoa because the other ones don't make sense with for. For example, you can't say I'm traveling for Genoa, I'm running, I'm traveling to Genoa. And running and going. Going could also be with to, but running we don't use that for ships. So I'm heading for the center. Hacia donde te diriges. I'm heading for tal lugar. Okay. With a cargo of alcohol as something which should have taken about 5 weeks. So a travel, a sail, a cruise, or a journey. Okay. So a travel doesn't really make sense. A sail, a cruise. Cruise kind of gives me the idea that it's like more relaxed. So we're talking about a journey in this case. A journey which should have taken about 5 weeks. Cruise is more like for holidays. A sail, you don't. When you use sail as a noun, it's more like the thing, like el bello. A travel, we don't usually use travel as a noun. We can do, but it's not that common. Okay. However, Captain Briggs, his wife, his 2-year-old daughter, and the crew of 7 sailors were never seen. I'm sure that's again. Okay. Yeah, and there we've got the option. They were never seen again. Nunca se volvieron a ver. Nunca volvieron a ser vistos. Okay. The Mary Celeste was something off the shores of the Azores by the British ship. Would it be found? Was looked? Was spotted? Was noted? Was watched? Was spotted. When you spot something, so the answer is spotted B. When you spot something, it's like you notice it, and like lo vi de reojo, no? By a British ship called Dei Gratia. It appeared to be in trouble, so Captain Morehouse sailed closer in order to what could it be? In order to detect, test, experiment, investigate. Okay. Investigate, find a bit more information. Nobody answered his calls, so it's like, hey, is anybody there? Blah, blah, but nobody answered. Okay. Nobody answered his calls. So he sent 3 sailors in a boat to number 7 to put help. No. To offer help, yes. Hand help, serve help, no. So here we're dealing with a collocation, and the collocation that goes with help is to offer help. Okay, cool. They something the ship totally deserted. So they searched, they found, they saw, they met. They found the ship. So I found him dead, or she found her house destroyed. So when they arrived, that's what they saw. Some of the sails had been slightly something by a storm. Slightly hurt, well, it's not a human, it's not an animal. Injured, it's not a hand animal. Damaged, okay, so slightly damaged by a storm. Now, slightly broken doesn't really make sense, because if they're broken, then they don't work at all. But these are kind of slightly, a little bit damaged. But something from that, I'm sure this is going to be apart. So except from that, no. If it's except for. I'll write that in. Except for that, apart from that, far from that, away from that. So apart, okay. Apart from that, so we can include that now. Apart from that, the Mary Celeste was imperfect. What would it be? Condition, perhaps. Let's find out. Imperfect condition. Yes. So, en muy buenas condiciones. Okay, cool. So let's add that. One small boat was missing, along with a map, some navigation equipment, so it was something the crew had left the ship voluntarily. What could it be? Likely, probable, it was clear. It was clear. Quedaba claro, it was clear, it was obvious that the ship had been abandoned voluntarily. But why would they have left such a large, safe ship in good something order, good working order? Okay, where the option's D. So good working order. That's a set phrase, okay? So you need to learn that set phrase. It is in good working order. It might not be perfect, but it works just fine. Many something have made to explain this mystery. What would it be? Many attempts? Yeah. Many attempts. There you are. There's the answer. Many attempts. Muchos intentos se han hecho. Okay, so to make an attempt is a nice collocation. Could it be pirates? Nothing was stolen. An attack by a sea monster. The ship was not damaged. UFOs, ghosts. To this day, no one has offered an explanation which is entirely satisfactory. So yeah, there's a nice collocation. A satisfactory explanation. Good. Well, I hope this information is useful, guys. Have a lovely day.